A modern project manager is usually juggling over an increasing number of digital tools. And how there can be a balance with all the work that they do. The job manager includes things like running errands in the project and assigning tasks to the team and much more. A manager is majorly responsible for creating a team. The manager has to take care of things from laying the foundation of hiring people to get them on track. They have to develop new skills and find work style balance. But what they can do to have a balance, what will they do to have the balance, simply needs a focus in exploring the things. Throughout the history of project management, the basic principles have always remained the same. That includes managing resources, schedule, activities, and tasks. There is probably no schedule optimization between ancient marvels of the project management and modern day projects. The project manager has to be sure to control risk and minimize uncertainty. Project managers use project management softwares to organize their tasks and workflows. If you have an experience in handling several projects, to be particular with the roles and responsibility of project manager for the success of a project, organize and projectize your team tasks for successful. Key roles and job responsibility is the project manager. Project manager is the blend of art and science, and in today's business environment, project managers should be well versed in project management systems. Today's project management has grown to include several industries and has been around several years. Let's look at the activities of the project manager. Planning activities. The project manager needs to set an impact strategy that includes a full list of activities that are important for the project. The key responsibility of the project manager includes planning. The manager needs to define the scope of the project and develop the project schedule accordingly in general. When the project manager is planning the activities, it is important to target the activities effectively to do less but well. The procedure should be efficient enough to deliver the project within a specified time and budget. Organizing a project team to perform the work is the second task. Another major role of a project manager has focused the team efforts on elaborate spreadsheets, long checklists, and whiteboards. They need to develop a plan that will support the team to reach their goals easily without hindering the performance. It is the duty to organize their team to show their full potential. A project manager will have to do sometimes put on the duties of human resources like negotiating with current employees, their job responsibility, managing their times and achieving their commitment to the project. Delegating the team is another major task. In many situations like big projects or various tasks involving in a project, it becomes difficult to delegate responsibilities to team wisely. It is a leadership style that every project manager has to abide with and be good at it. And eventually it becomes the responsibility of the project manager that needs to be learned over a time. A manager should not misuse their responsibility in putting blames or degrading the team members. The task needs to prioritize the tasks and the members so that they become more effective and their abilities are highlighted. Controlling the time management. To make a good impression on stakeholders and client, the project manager needs to look for whether the project has succeeded or failed. A project manager needs to be able to negotiate, achieve the deadlines, and discuss the same with the team. You need to develop a project that has the following features. It should have a pre-stated objective, a defined process, the estimation of duration is precise, the schedule development is up to the mark, and schedule is controlled on daily basis. And last but not the least is managing deliverables. The project manager is responsible for ensuring that the deliverables are delivered on time and within the budget as per the business requirement. Their job is concerned with asking many questions like what are the changes being made in the organization? What is the team doing? Why are they doing it? Is there a business opportunity or risk? How are we going to do it? What are the popular project management techniques? Who is doing what? Where are the records and project documents? What are the specifications, schedules, meetings? When are the things going to be done. And monitoring the progress is one more major task. Mostly project managers' time revolves around monitoring the status of the project. After the project has been started, the project manager has to see how much is done and if it is being done as expected. The progress of a project is made during the middle stages of the project through multiple systems like status reports, meeting and informal updates. The responsibility can become easier if a proper management system is selected by the project managers. The role of the project manager is to monitor the progress. Mostly project managers' time revolves around monitoring the status of the project after the project has been started. Project manager has to see how much is done, what is being done and expected. The project manager has to establish the regular meetings. Scheduling regular meetings is a difficult task for all the project managers and it doesn't work well for every project. But a good but a good and successful project you probably need one team meeting per week. Some project managers prefer to have daily stand-up meetings for a unique project methodology. The objective of the meeting should be met by communicating the rules of the project. Communication, communicate the vision with the team is one of the foremost requirements of the project manager. Project manager should have a vision where to go and the skills to understand the big picture related to any project. The vision should be conveyed to the entire team so that they understand the importance of their role to achieve the end results. The team should understand the load of work and do the possible work efforts to convert goals into a mission. The appropriate role should be to set by the manager for smoother sailing of the project. When a project is completed on time and on budget, the project manager has to then provide an appropriate documentation to present the final report to clients and identify the areas where there is a need for future development. This is also a major responsibility of a project manager for project development and it has two main functions. One is to maintain the record what has been done in the project, who has been involved in it, and second is to ensure that the projects satisfy all the project requirements. And the most interesting question for this discussion should be: does every project need a project manager, or do you, as a company owner, need a project manager? Eventually, the goal of a project manager is to stay in business by offering solutions or solutions the team need. Despite the size of the project, we all need someone who will be in charge of efficiency and productivity. So, if your project needs a project manager, there is a very high chance that the organization has many managers. But for a manager to become project manager, it is become necessary that we should focus on finding a leader who has a vision, the right skill and knowledge to ensure the on-time completion of the project. Project manager and project management are like two facets of a coin. For a project to be successful, bringing both the picture is important. At the end of the day, everything matters and is completed in efforts.